Hey everyone, in today's Instagram video I'm gonna show you how to post on Instagram any image without cropping the actual image. Most people don't really care about cropping the image, but if you're doing this as a photographer, this tutorial could save you a lot of headaches and time, so let's get started. First we need to download the app called Snapseed. This is a photo editing app just like Photoshop, so I'm gonna link down below where you can download it for free. So let's open the app. Here in the left corner, let's hit open. Here you can choose the picture which you want to extend. So let's choose this one. By default, Instagram's gonna crop down a little bit of the top and down parts of your image. But let's say you don't want to do this, and we're gonna expand our image with software technology to get through this. So let me go to tools. There's a tool called expand, as you can see. So let's press expand, and here as you can see there's a smart option, and with that we can expand the size of the image, not with a black or white bar. You can do it with the exact same texture of the image. So let me do a little expand on the sides, and as you can see it created a more of the photo for me just using this software technique. This is not perfect every time, so if it's not great you have to do a little touch-ups sometimes. Let me show you right now how you can do that. So let me go back to the tools menu, and here as you can see we have a healing option, so let's press that, and with this healing option I can just zoom in here and select some of this and kinda change the pattern that is created for me. We don't want to do this on the subject. I recommend you doing this only on the sides which you create. Now we are basically done with our new image, so let's check how it's looking with the crop tool. So let me go back to tools, hit crop, let me go to square, and as you can see it's looking perfect. We are only cropping the sides which we recently created, so if you press the check mark now, you can see nothing from the original picture is taken away. Now you can press export on the bottom. Here you can press the export button on the bottom to save it as a JPEG. Or you can press share and share it directly to Instagram. I prefer saving as a JPEG, so let's do that one. It will save a copy of the photo in my photos library. That's how you can post Instagram pictures without cropping. I hope it helped, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.